Hello and welcome back to my classroom. My name is Miss Silva and I am so excited to learn with you today. In this lesson, we will learn about the word family, app. Come on, let's get started. Now that we know what sound each letter makes, we can start combining the letters to make words. When we combine the letter A with the letter P, it makes a app sound. Can you try making that sound? App. Well done. Let's try to sound out this word. Ka-a-p. Ka-a-p. Cap. Ma-a-p. Ma-a-p. Map. Do you remember what sound the letter G makes? That's right. G makes a ga sound. So let's try sounding out this word. Ga-a-p. Ga-a-p. Gap. La-a-p. La-a-p. Lap. Ta-a-p. Ta-a-p. Tap. You are doing a great job. Let's keep going. Do you remember the sound that the letter N makes? That's right. The letter N makes a n sound. So let's try sounding out this word. Na-a-p. Na-a-p. Nap. Let's read a story together. Keep a lookout for all of the app words. The story is called Peter Takes a Nap. A cap. A map. He has a map. He has a cap. He has a nap. Let's take a look at the app words again. This time, I want you to try to sound them out. Come on, let's get started. That's right. It says cap. Map. Gap. Well done! L-A-P spells lap. T-A-P spells tap. Nap. You did so well! You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that app words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with app.